Meet Peter. They're the head of supply chain management at a large manufacturing organization. They've got a challenge to solve. Okay, maybe it's more than one challenge. They need to meet shifting consumer expectations, manage multiple demand channels, do more with less inventory, and digitalize partner collaboration. GLOVIA OM offers a solution that seems to fit the bill. Let's take a closer look at how GLOVIA OM can help a manufacturing organization like Peter's solve those challenges. Peter needs to be able to meet shifting consumer expectations. GLOVIA OM delivers a B2X commerce solution for manufacturers that's built on Salesforce. GLOVIA OM's comprehensive platform will give Peter the flexibility to expand their core ERP from B2B to D2C. So they can orchestrate order management, including promotions and loyalty rewards throughout the customer journey. Peter also needs a solution that can handle multiple demand channels. GLOVIA OM optimizes unified commerce with an agile, omni-channel order management system. Peter's team will be able to intelligently manage multiple demand channels from touchless ordering to highly empowered customer service, which will help to increase compliance and reduce SLA penalties. When it comes to doing more with less inventory, GLOVIA OM has Peter covered. GLOVIA OM intelligently manages inventory by channel to create a balance between an efficient and responsive supply chain. This gives Peter increased visibility and agility across the entire distribution network. With GLOVIA OM's intelligent allocation engine, Peter can proactively manage demand to improve customer experience while reducing inventory cost. Peter is also responsible for digitalizing partner collaboration. With GLOVIA OM, they can go beyond EDI to offer stellar channel partner engagement. By evolving from procure-to-pay to supplier resource management, Peter can provide an improved experience and remain competitive with both distribution partners and B2B customers. Peter is convinced that GLOVIA OM is the right fit to help their company reach its strategic goals faster. Smart, Peter. Very smart. Check out Fujitsu's GLOVIA OM on AppExchange to learn more.